Hi dear student, this is Naveed Khan, your mathematics teacher. So today we will discuss measure of central tendency. So in measure of central tendency, we will discuss three main topics. The first one is mean, then median, and then mode. Okay dear student, first we will discuss mean and then median and then we will discuss mode. So let's have a look dear student. So here in this question, find mean for the following set of data. How many data points are greater than the average? Okay, so the first question is we need to find out mean. We need to find out mean and average. So here we will find out mean. Average and mean both are same. Okay, so this is our question number one. Now in question number one, data is given 25, 29, 35, 27 and 39. So now for this data we will find out mean. Okay, so how to find out mean? So we call it arithmetic mean, or simply we call it mean, and represented by this notation. Okay, so we will plus all the numbers and then divided by how many numbers we have: 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 numbers. First of all we will plus all the numbers and then divided by 5, so the answer will become 31. Okay dear student, now look at for the second question. Here in this question, how many numbers we have? 1 2 3 4 5 number. Okay, to find out the arithmetic mean, or simply we call it mean, so we will plus all the numbers and then divided by 5. Okay, so now this question is for your homework, you need to solve it. Now dear student, again in this question, here how many numbers we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, when we will find out the mean of the data, we will plus all the numbers. Okay, we will plus all the numbers and then divided by 8, so then you will get the answer. Okay dear student, now this is the method how to find out mean of the data. Okay, now the second average is median. Okay, the first one mean, the second is median. So how to find out median of the data? Let's suppose if we have ungrouped data. Okay, so 16 14 20 26 13 20 17 12 and 15. So first of all just see how many numbers we have. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 means that it is even number. Even numbers, if you have two numbers, if you have 4 numbers, you have 6 numbers, you have 8 numbers, or you have 10 numbers, these are even numbers. Same like here we have 10 numbers. Okay, so first of all we will arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, first of all we will arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order means that the numbers, we will start from the lowest number. So first the lowest number is 6, then the lowest number is 12, then 13, then 14, then 15, and then 16. Here we have 16, then 17, and then 20 20 20. So we have 320. Count it again, we have 10 or not? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we have 10 numbers. Okay, again I'm telling to you that if we have the total number of data, we have even numbers 10 or 8 or 12 or 6. So here we have 10 numbers. So what we will do, the same number it will be on the left side, when we will find out the median of the data. And so here 1 2 3 4, and the same number it will be on the right side. Okay, my dear student, so 4 numbers is in the left side and 4 numbers are on the right side. So now the middle two numbers, to find out the median, the middle two numbers, this one 15 plus 16, we will make it plus and then divided by 2, so the answer will become 15.5. You got it, my dear student? Now look at part B. In part B, first of all, we will count the numbers. How many numbers we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So we have 11 numbers. 11 means that we have odd numbers, odd. Okay, so here we have even numbers. So when you have even numbers, after arranging the data in ascending order, so the middle two number will be plus and then divided by 2. But you have odd numbers like 3 numbers, like 7 numbers, let's suppose 9 numbers, let's suppose 11 numbers, 13 numbers. So in that case, first of all, we will arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order means that arrangement of a data from smaller number to a big number. Okay, so here the small number is 100, then 101, whereas here is 101, then 110, so I wrote here 110, then 134, whereas here is 134. It means that we have to arrange the data in ascending order from small number to a big number. Okay, so here the number of data, the number of elements, we have 11. You got it, my dear student? 11. So it means that 5 numbers will be on the right side and 5 numbers will be on the left side. So count it: 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and from the right side 1 2 3 4 5. Same number will be on the left side and same number will be on the right side. So the median of the data is equal to 143. Okay, so median of the data is equal to 143. So I wrote down here. Okay, so now we know how to find out mean of the data. We will plus all the numbers and then divided by total numbers. Here in this slide we find out how to find out median of the data. We will discuss mode of the data. Okay, this is very important, how to find out mode of the data. In mode of the data, mode is very simple, my dear student. For example, this is question number 1. Mode is very simple. Just its answer is 20. Why the mode of this data is 20? Here we will discuss maximum repetition of a number. Which number is repeated maximum time? Okay, so here 20, 20 and 20, it's repeated 3 times. So it's repeated 3 times, so definitely its mode will be 20. Okay, now we will see that which number is repeated maximum time, that will be the mode of the data. Look at the second question. This is part 2. Here we have data 62, 43, 81, 74, 65, 69, 72, 80, 61 and 65. Now in this question we will check which data is repeated. So here the mode of this data is 65. Why 65? Because 65 is repeated 2 times. Okay, there is no number which repeated 2 times our maximum time, so it's repeated 2 times. So the mode of this data is 65. Now look at the third question. In the third question, here we have data. Okay, so now in this question, if we see this question, here I can't see any number which is repeated twice or 3 times. So here in this question there is no repetition of any number. So here in this case we will write here no mode for the above data. I think you got this point. And come to this question. This is question number 4. Look at the question. This is the theoretical type. For the month of May, a checking account has a balance of $759 for 15 days, 1,985 for 5 days, 1,410 for 5 days, and 348 for 10 days. We need to find out the what is the account's mean daily balance for the month of May. Okay, my dear student. So here, dear student, simple is that this number is for the first 15 days, so we will multiply it here, and then the second is for 5 days, so we will multiply both the numbers, plus 1410 for 5 days, so we will multiply here both the numbers. Okay, and here the last one is 348 for 6 days, so we will multiply days and the total amount, and then divided by. So the first transaction is, the first amount is for 15 days, the second is for 5 days, the third is also for 5 days, and the fourth is also for 5 days. So here 15 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, if we will add it, so the answer will become 31. So the May, already we know about May, the May contains 31 days. Okay, so after solving this question, so the numerator, it will contain 30,448 divided by 31, so the answer is 982.16. Okay, so dear student, here in this question number 5, so now in this question, the average starting salary is by degrees attained. Okay, for 25 employees at the company are given. What is the mean starting salary for these employees? Okay, let's 8 employees, their salary is $92,500, and 17 employees or are BAs, their salaries are $68,000. Okay, we need to find out the mean starting salary for these employees. Okay, so let's have a look. Here we need to find out mean, so then 8 multiplied by 92,500, plus here we will multiply both the numbers, and then total we have 25 employees. Okay, total we have 25 employees. So after calculating, the answer will become their average mean starting salary will be 75,840 for 25 employees. So thank you very much, and this is the reference of the book. Thank you very much, my dear student.